mentorship to me is important, especially I think like when you feel like you either hit a ceiling or you're stuck. A mentor who's more like a business coach can just pay off. They can open your eyes up to things that you may not be seeing because you're so caught in the day to day. So when I look for somebody to help me or mentor me, I'm looking for a specific thing, just like you said, Devontae. What is the need and who's out there that is an expert in that particular area? And really, that's the acceleration process. So I don't need anybody to help me fix something. I need somebody to do my books. Where's the bookkeepers at?
We were talking about this for like the last 3 weeks.
Last 3. Marcus done turned this into
Anybody
a
out there?
session. He done turned anybody out there do books.
I'm dying. No, but yeah, specific things, man. Really, just really understanding and finding somebody who you can mesh with, who you can, feel vulnerable enough with opening up what you're doing in your business, and that can give you feedback or give you, constructive criticism to help you improve the business. That's what it's all about. Whether you pay somebody, I paid somebody before in my other business to help me out, and it was worth every penny because the information that I received was streamlined. It took away all the other stuff that I thought I had to do and narrowed it down to this is what you need to do and this is how you get it done. So
even feel good when you have that clarity. Don't that feel good when you have that clarity? You have that clear sight, and all the fog is just, and you got, this is what I want to do. This is where I was trying to get my eyes and focused on. I couldn't articulate it like this guy could articulate it, but that's what I needed.
Yeah,
that's what mentor does. Brings clarity.
Exactly.